The animal kingdom is full of colors. Colors used to communicate, attract mates, or prey. Introducing the RGB Critter, the most feature-loaded color-changing flashlight to date. Perfect for performance artists, high-tech fashion designers, and light painters who have the desire to emulate the most exotic of critters. We started by sourcing the brightest RGB LED we could find and added a focused primary beam to further increase the brightness. Then we added 8 fully customizable color modes to give instant access to 33 unique color choices, 10 levels of brightness, and 100 different speed options within each mode, all easily navigated with just 3 illuminated buttons. It's the first of its kind to feature our sound reactivity system with an adjustable sensitivity control to match the sound intensity of your environment. But we went even further and added a movement sensor, making the critter an extension of your body controlled by your movements. And with a battery life of up to 9 hours at full brightness and a max runtime of 90 hours at the lowest setting, it has the power to last all night. The built-in battery is micro USB rechargeable. When plugged into a power source, the RGB Critter's battery will fully charge, then switch to direct power for continuous use. We spent 4 years perfecting the design to get the right weight and balance in your hand. With a plastic clamshell and a 2mm thick aluminum housing, the electronics will be kept secure, even under rough conditions. We put it through serious stress tests to make sure. To further reduce stress from impacts, we covered the housing in a shock-absorbent silicone sleeve. Whether you take it through a cloud of dust or pouring rain, the IP54 water protection rating will keep the electronics dry and particle-free. If the built-in features aren't enough for you, the RGB Critter's threaded lens is compatible with a variety of twist-on accessories, such as the Orbit Bit Whip, a 6-foot-long fiber optic whip with 140 fiber optic cables housed within a rotating bearing. The Soul Saber 2.0, a super bright 24-inch long saber attachment built for contact and combat. The Fiber Kit, our costuming accessory with 360 N-Glow fiber optic cables. The Jupiter Rope, a 6-foot-long side glow cable that's easy to attach to your bike. The Orb, an opaque ball that acts as a light diffuser. And of course, the Critter Connector, allowing you to connect 2 critters back to back for double the effect.
Oh hi, I'm Joel, Master Toy Maker at Ants on a Melon. I started this company back in 2012, and since then made thousands of color-changing flashlights. We really appreciate your support over the years. Thank you. Our team of exceptional engineers has integrated your feedback into this groundbreaking new product. We've spent 4 years developing and testing the RGB Critter, and I've already traveled to China to select our manufacturing partner. All we need to bring this product to life is your support. Please pledge to this campaign and find the Critter in you.